In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping rates on Stripe efficiently. Whether you're looking to streamline your business operations or simply wanting to master this component of Stripe for the first time, I'm here to walk you through it. Relax, take notes if you like, and let's make this process simple and straightforward. First things first, let's start by opening up Stripe. This will be our control center for today. If you're following along on your computer, go ahead and log into your Stripe account. If you've already done that, great. We're on the right track here. You should be seeing your Stripe dashboard now, which is the main hub where all the magic happens. Next, let's navigate to the product catalog section in Stripe. This feature is fundamental as it allows you to manage the products and services you offer. It's an invaluable tool for businesses looking to maintain a well-organized list of what they sell, whether that's physical products, subscriptions, or services. From the product catalog, the next step is to find the shipping rates option and click on it. This is where you'll manage how shipping works for your products. Now you should see a button or link that says Create Shipping Rate. Let's click on that. This action will redirect you to a form where you'll enter specific details about your shipping preferences. This is an essential part of setting up shipping because it ensures that your customers know exactly what to expect when they purchase your products. In the form that appears, you'll need to fill out a few fields with crucial information. You'll provide a description of the shipping method, which helps your customers understand what they're selecting at checkout. This description can be anything from standard shipping to something specific that matches your business's service level. Next, you'll need to estimate shipping time. This is an estimate of how long it will take for your shipment to arrive once it leaves your facility. This can vary depending on the carrier you use and the destination. So consider this carefully to avoid any misunderstandings or unmet expectations from your customers. Lastly, specify the shipping rate amount. This is the fee that your customers will pay for shipping. You have the freedom to set this rate based on your business's pricing strategy. It could be a flat rate, or you could have it vary depending on the order amount or destination. Once you've completed these fields with the necessary information and you're satisfied that it accurately reflects your shipping offerings, the final step is quite simple. Review everything to ensure accuracy, and then simply save your work by clicking the button to complete the setup. And just like that, you're done. You now have a shipping rate established in Stripe. Well done. Now your customers will have a more seamless and informed shopping experience when purchasing from your business. Thanks for following along, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't hesitate to check out our other guides for more tips on optimizing your business processes with Stripe and beyond.